Santosh and Rahul are flatmates. Rahul asks Santosh if he wants to race up to the apartment from the apartment gate. Santosh hesitates in the beginning but says, sure, why not? But after 5 minutes, Rahul wins and asks Santosh, what do you want to get for dinner? Santosh, sweating profusely, says, you know my answer, Rahul. Grilled chicken cheese sandwich with pepperoni pizza and cold drink, of course. Rahul says, and looks at Santosh's belly and asks if he wants to get salad too. Santosh sadly says, sure. Who do you relate better to, Santosh or Rahul? If you're a victim of Santosh's cycle in which resisting a greasy pizza or an entire bag of chips is just impossible, then we have something for you. Are you wondering how Rahul raced up to the apartment without getting tired? We at HealthScribe have all the answers for you, but be sure to subscribe to our channel and tap that bell icon. Does your present plate of food look like this? How is it any different from a healthy plate of food, and what are the changes you need to make? Whether your goal is weight loss, better health, or disease management, a healthy plate of food can do wonders and has umpteen benefits. But are you wondering what exactly a healthy plate is? It can simply be defined as a plate of food to achieve a balanced diet with all the nutrients you need for each day. A healthful diet includes a variety of fruits and vegetables of many colors, whole grains, good fats, and lean proteins. Healthy eating doesn't really have to be complicated. When you're making a healthy plate, fill 50% of your plate with vegetables and fruits. Why, you ask? It is because they offer protection against a number of chronic illnesses such as diabetes and obesity. Always aim for variety and be sure to have a diversity of the colors. Vegetables are always at its best when it is raw, boiled, or baked. Although certain vegetables such as potatoes and carrots have carbs in them, other veggies such as cucumber and cabbage have less carbs in them. If you follow a low-carb diet or if you're diabetic, you may want to limit your intake of carbs as they can raise your blood sugar levels. Therefore, using fruits such as avocado and berries and mouth-watering dishes such as roasted lemon broccoli, charred tomatoes, and cucumber salad will not only make your plate healthy but also make it very, very delicious. Do you find it very difficult to resist that buttery paratha or roti? But you might have to resist it and minimize the consumption of food made out of rice and other food like white bread. Fill the next 25% of your plate with whole grains. Whole grains are better than other refined grains such as rice because they contain less amount of carbohydrates. Dishes like chickpea pasta, quinoa fried rice, and whole wheat rotis can serve this purpose. Fill the next 25% of your plate with any kind of lean protein. If you're a sucker for food such as bacon, sausage, or cheese, you may have to replace it with protein such as fish, chicken, or beans. But this doesn't mean eating chicken every night of the week has health benefits. Variety is the key. Eat yummy dishes made out of protein such as broccoli, chicken soup, steamed fish, or a simple egg white omelette. But what is a meal without a drink besides it? Always remember to side your delicious food with a drink like water, fruit juices without sweeteners, or a smoothie. Using healthy oils such as coconut oil or sesame oil instead of butter and other calorie-filled ingredients on your salad or while cooking has amazing benefits. Numerous number of recipes are available on the internet and will definitely help you. By following this routine, you will reduce risk of cancer, protect the health of the next generation, and you will definitely be fit. Let us know your recipes for a healthy plate in the comment box below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We at HealthScribe will be back with a new video on health and wellness. Until then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you for watching.